In this video, I will show you how to join the Pet Simulator X Discord server. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, I'm here with the Discord app opened. Now, if you do use a web-based version of Discord, that's absolutely fine as the steps are the same. So once you're in Discord, the first thing you're going to want to do is come to your server list on the far left-hand side. And if you scroll down, you're going to see a plus button which says to add a server. So of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is click onto this button, and that's going to bring up a window like this. Next, what you need to do is if you go all the way to the bottom, it says have an invite already. And what you want to do is click the join a server button here. So what's going to happen, it's going to load up a window like this, and what you want to do is type the following into this box here which says invite link. So first you want to put discord.gg and then put a /, and then you need to put the following, which is 4XUQ, and that's all in lowercase. And then you want to put two capital letters which are E and K, and then you want to put Q in lowercase afterwards. So make sure you do enter that correctly with the capital letters and the lowercase letters. Once that's done, click the join server button down here, and you'll see what's going to happen. You're going to be presented with a window saying welcome to Big Games. So what you need to do first is of course verify your account, read the rules, and then you can go ahead and just post as normal. So to verify your account, what you want to do is click onto this link here, verify first. And to actually verify your account, you'll be using the Rover Discord bot. Now, if you don't have this set up, I do have a separate tutorial on my channel, so make sure you do check that out. But if you do have that set up, then come across here and verify your account. Now, if for any reason it's not letting you click onto the purple button which says to update my roles, what you're going to want to do at the bottom, you should have a message like this saying you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. So what you want to do is actually click onto the complete button down here. And then what you're going to want to do is tick to say that you've read the rules and click the green submit button. And once you've done that, you'll see you'll now be able to click onto the update my roles button here. So you just want to do that once you've set up Rover. And once you've done that, if I just scroll down, you'll see that my account has been now verified. So if you don't have Rover set up, as I say, check out my channel because I do have a tutorial on how to go about and set that up. Once you've got that done, just follow the steps to get added to the Pet Simulator X server. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you also to drop down below the video, leave a like, and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.